Of the 2023 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, panorama sunroof, speed control, rear window defroster, navigation system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.